Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to add website on Twitter application. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let us get started. Now first of all, you have to open your Twitter application. Now once you open Twitter application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, tap on your user ID, which is on the upper left corner right on top. So as soon as you tap on it, there you can see a list of different options. So right on top, on the first tab, there you have profile. So tap on it. So in order to add website on your profile, what you have to do is simply tap on edit profile, which is right on top on the upper right corner. So on the other page, you get to edit your profile. So here you can see on the fourth option, there you have website. Now in order to add website on your profile, so first of all, you must have a link. So you must copy the link, and then now what you have to do is simply paste the link on this following page. And here you can see that this following link has been added. Now the final step, that is tap on save, which is right on top on the upper right corner. And here you can see that the website has been added, and this is how you can add website on your profile page. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.